ripping a personal for James C. We've got a 2020-21 Obsidian basketball. All right, good luck, James. Thanks for hopping in. See what we can get you. Looking for 2 autographs. Let me get this box open. Empty. All right. First up for the Celtics, Evan Fournier. That is out of 99. Evan Fournier. We've got a die cut for the Lakers, LeBron James.
LeBron James.
Nice LeBron. That is 22 of 99. One off of that jersey number. 22 of 99. Nice. Got Joe Ingles. A Keldon Johnson for the Spurs. Rookie for the Cavs, a Lamar Stevens. We've got 24 of 49. Hakeem the Dream Olajuwon. Lightning Strike. Nice one there for you, James. Hakeem Olajuwon. And last one for you, out of 99, Galaxy Auto of Brad Wanamaker. Brad Wanamaker. All right, that'll do it for you. Congrats again, James. Thanks for hopping in, and we'll get this right out to you.